Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you how to create a YouTube channel in 2022. Open your browser. For creating a YouTube channel you need a Gmail account. So first let's create a Gmail account. Type gmail.com in URL. Then hit enter. Here for create a Gmail account, click on create an account. Type your first name and last name in these fields. Customize your username here. Set a strong password for your Gmail account, as this will be your YouTube channel. After setting the password, click the next button. Enter your phone number here to verify your Gmail account. Here you can add a recovery email address to your Gmail account. Choose your date of birth. Select your gender. Then click the next button. Read this privacy and terms page, or scroll down. Then click the I agree button. Wait for this page to load. Here your Gmail account was created successfully. Now you need to open the YouTube. Now click the sign in button to sign in with your Gmail account you just created. You have successfully signed in with your Gmail account, but your YouTube channel has not been created. Follow these steps to create a brand account, brand channel. Click on your profile. Click on Switch Account. Then click on View All Channels. Here click on Create a Channel. In this field choose a name for your YouTube channel. Remember, try to choose a unique and a short name. Tick this, and hit create button. And yes, congratulations, your YouTube channel has successfully created. Now if you want to customize your YouTube channel, for example set up a profile and banner, you need to go to the YouTube Studio. Open YouTube Studio. Here, in YouTube Studio you can manage your YouTube channel, your channel contents, and you can customize your channel. Now let's see how to set up a profile and banner for our channel. In the left side panel click on Customization. Then click on Branding. In here you can upload a profile picture, or logo for your channel. And here you can upload a banner for your channel. You can also add a video watermark from here. In Basic Info tab, you can add a description to your channel, or add your email to your channel. After all the changes, click on the Publish button to make changes in your channel. One more thing. To upload a new video to your channel, click on this icon. And here upload video. And that was it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy, hit like button, and if you're new here subscribe to this channel. Have a good day and night.